Ooh, buddy, the trap is real. The trap. It's either gonna roll or it's gonna pop. Eat NASDAQ. Wowzer. There's the pullback we were looking for. Right off the V1. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Right off the V1. NASDAQ. Can't stop. Won't stop, they said. Yeah, it's straight down right now. Not today, buddy. Not today.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. Mic check, mic check, mic check. Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's poppin', what's poppin', what's poppin'? How y'all living? How you feeling? How you feeling? How you feeling? Let me know. Amen. Hallelujah. It's a good day to make some money, my friends. On the week right now, we're up over $82,000 on the week, and it has been an absolute money week, my friends. It has been a money week. I took a $25,000 payout yesterday from my funded futures, locking in that in. We had a $70,000 profit day yesterday, and well, we're locking in some profit, my friends. Nothing wrong with locking in profits. So $25,000 payout, starting the year strong. 2024, like I've said before, this is my year to take payouts. Payouts. Aaron Jackson, I talk shit about your glasses, but I don't want to get banned. Oops. He did it again. He did it again. He banned that fool again. Talks about getting banned, gets banned anyway. Oops. Fuck around, find out, baby. That's how we roll around here. All right. Right now, the NASDAQ down there to the pivot point had this big move down when the CPI report came out. CPI report came out and the market dropping down there like a rock right now, sitting here at the 940 area after the past few days going up. And, well, CPI report not hot. Drop. But we'll see. We have seen this happen before, right? You get a big pop on the CPI report. CPI report comes out, you get a big pop, and the market does the exact opposite when it opens. So this could end up being a buy the dip type of moment. I'm not gonna like jinx it right now, but if you think about it, like look back at the CPI report, how many times have we seen like a big move, pre-market go straight up, and then the market ends up just selling off at open. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here today. Either way, we're going to party. Party, drink Bacardi. And it's time to party. Party. You got to party if you want to, party if you need to. Something like that, I think it goes. Right now, the market down here at the 939 level, 15-minute chart. Right now, we got that pivot point right there. We've got some support down here back on Wednesday. Yeah, yesterday, sorry. Yesterday, end of day, we bounced off this level, and we've bounced off it again. So that 890 area here on the NASDAQ acting as support. That was resistance yesterday. We got above that. We made a huge move up, and we'll see how it happens. I did not trade the CPI report here, just waiting for market to open up. Too much of a gamble on that thing. Right now, the dollar pushing up here. The NASDAQ pulling back. Both the ES, the NASDAQ down here at this pivot point. There's a pivot point on the ES at the 4,812s right now. So VWAP on the NASDAQ up at the 987s. Five-minute chart right now. Looking like a bear flag here. I would have to agree with you. Pivot point to the downside there at the 910s on the NASDAQ currently. Dollar breaking up to the upside here. So, poppity, poppity, pop. We'll see what happens here at open. 890 area down there support-wise. The dollar is DXY. DXY for the dollar. Dollar, dollar, dollar bills. I gotta get my little snack real quick. Where my biscuit at, boy? Left all the hatches open, Mark. Now it's raining. Oh, God. Boat's gonna sink. Some Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A. Spicy biscuit here today. I normally don't eat in the morning, but some of my guys brought some food over, so. I do like sleepy. I do like that. Somebody said, why not take a day off after a killer day? I don't know. Why? If there's more opportunities, why not go for it, baby? When you're making money, keep on making money. When you're not making money, then walk away. Oh, God. I'm looking for it. Right now, the ES is at that 4,811 area. The NASDAQ sitting there, 16,920s. VWAP to the upside there at the 980s, 83s. I did not go fishing this morning, no. I did not go fishing. Fishing, fishing, fishing. I don't know if you guys saw the news, but taking a $25,000 payout there yesterday with my funded futures. Buddy. Made over $50,000 in like 2 days with them. So basically, they're going to transfer $25,000 into a live trading account, and then that took a $25,000 payout. So everybody that says Patrick never takes payouts, well, hey, 2024, new year, baby. New year, new me. Why are you not taking the rest of the week off? I mean, do quitters quit or do winners win, you know? We're going to keep on trading, baby. Let's see. Let's not worry about, let's not think about yesterday, not think about the day before. Let's think about what's happening right now in front of us. Can we make more money? Possibly. Possibly. Right now, the NASDAQ back to the lows down here. Just let me live, man. Just let me do my thing. Relax, everybody. Relax. I'm here to have fun. Here to make money, money, money. Right now, Apex has the deal going on as well. I'm trying to get some more evaluations passed with Apex. They have the 1-day evaluation to pass, so we'll see what happens. How did I get around the 14-day wait period? So basically, I hit I made over $50,000 with my fund of futures. You're only allowed to make $25,000 max before they transfer you into a live account, very similar to Topstep. So they basically said, hey, look, you know, we'll let you take a payout and then we'll transfer the rest of your money into a live account. So that's why. Right now, the NASDAQ moving on down there to the lows currently. Will we get a double bottom bounce here is the question, huh? Double bottom, double bottom, double bottom. Right now, the NASDAQ trying to hold that 900 pivot point, 910 pivot point there currently. So we will see if we can hold the pivot for now. Like I said earlier, we've seen this before, right? Big sell-off followed up, or a big pop followed up with a actually totally different direction once the market opens. So not saying that's going to happen for sure, but we've seen it happen in the past where the market reacts to the CPI report, and then once the actual market opens, it does the exact opposite. So we'll have to just kind of wait and see what happens here. Anything is possible. Anything is possible. What is my plan for the day? Just waiting for the market to open. We see if we get a reversal here off the bottom. Can we hold? If we can't hold here, well, then we probably head on downtown. If we look at the bigger time frames, look at the hourly chart right now. You can see pretty much below this like 885 level, we'll probably move back down here to the 800s. So that would be your next area on the hourly chart. I still think we need to like maybe a little push back up into this VWAP, kind of push back up, test this 60 area again. You know, we'll see. But yeah, 800s down there. Someone said 830s. Not a bad idea. But basically right now, just holding up here at the bottom for now. Hourly chart, that big hourly candle after the CPI report. I think we'll see how it plays. Right now, pushing back up here. When was the CPI number? The CPI number is at 8:30. Where y'all been? What are y'all doing? Eating a chicken biscuit from Chick-fil-A. Chicken biscuit. All right. So we have to keep in mind, right? We got that pivot point here in the hourly chart, 885 level. Don't always, don't always get too focused on, just because we had one move down does not mean that we're going to go straight down here today. This could be a total just trap to the downside here. So, especially after all that movement the last few days, I don't know. We'll see, but I'm not trying to have a bias. But right now, I'm not going to be ultra bearish just because we've seen this before where the CPI report comes out, the market makes a big move, and then, the market opens up, does the exact opposite. So, Daniel Grant, did you blow any prop evaluations when it first started? I did. Yeah, I know. I've definitely blown a few prop evaluations over time. I won't deny that. And I've blown funded accounts as well. So definitely had my fair share of blown prop firm accounts. That's the nice thing about prop firms, though, is they don't hurt as bad. Blowing up like a $30,000 profit, a $30,000 account that you put real money into, that hurts. But not to say that you shouldn't take prop firms seriously, but definitely hurts a little less. All right, so we are watching here. I want to be kind of very understanding of where we are right now in this overall move. If you look at the daily chart here on the NASDAQ, we've had big momentum to the upside. We've got this high up there, 17,166 back there in December. And right now, stuck here at the 1760s. So, big move the last 2 days. Does that mean we're going to go straight up again today? Does it mean it's going to go straight down? We could chop. But I think the CPI report will give us some opportunity here today. I think the hourly chart kind of giving us a pretty clear picture of what is in store. If we hold this level down here, I think we just fucking rip straight back up here. We got the VWAP there at the 980s, right? VWAP at the 980s. Got the high up there, 1755. Got this low down there, right there at that pivot. I don't know. If we can't hold, there's really two ways to look at it. I always try to look at it two ways, right? Very simple, two ways to look at it. We're either, number one, we're either going to go up. I know, yes, it sounds simple. He just says it can go either way. But a key level today is going to be right here, 897. If we get below this 890 level, then we're in trouble, and we'll probably move down here to the 800s. If we keep holding here, I think this thing's going to want to push back up because we do have, obviously, a big gap down, right? You got to think, we closed yesterday up here at the 950s. Yesterday we closed at the 950s. I think we closed a little higher after hours, but we basically closed up there at the 950s yesterday. So we do have a little bit of a gap to the upside. So that gives us a little bit of potential to push back up there VWAP area. And then we know that VWAP loves to get touched. So I don't think it's a totally just, oh my God, the market's going to go to zero type of day. Let's relax and understand, that is how it goes. David R., are you dreaming? I'm promoting Apex. Yeah. No. I'm trading with all the prop firms this year. I told you guys before, 2024. My goal is to have as many prop firm accounts as possible, baby. I want all of them. I want to be the Warren Buffett of prop firms. Oscar Lopez, VWAP wants to get ran through, not only touch. Ooh. Talk dirty to me, boy. Talk dirty to me. VWAP get ran right through there. I would like that. I like that. I like that a lot. All right, especially now that we've tested this low down here again. You know, I'm gonna be testing out UProfit probably here soon as well. So, somebody said that Lilu prop firm is rigging the order flow. Uh-oh. I don't know too much about that. Not gonna start accusations that I have no idea what we're talking about. So, if you guys didn't see the big news, though, the big news yesterday, making $70,000, $82,000 on the week, and taking a payout, $25,000 payout. So last year, I took $46,000 of payout. I'm not proud of it. This year, my goal is to try to do $40,000, $50,000 a month in payouts. So there it is, the proof. Patrick Wieland, $25,000, make you holla. So yeah, we're back for redemption, baby. 2024, the year of payouts. Oh yeah. All right, the NASDAQ pushing back up here right now. Got the VWAP to the upside at the 977s. The dollar pulling back here. I would be fucking amazed. I wouldn't be amazed, actually. I wouldn't be surprised if I should say it. I think we fucking just go, baby. Jeff said, the CPI blew my consistency target on Topstep. What should you do? What? So you made too much money, Jeff? Is that what you're saying? If you made too much money, just, you know, lose a little bit of money. You can always lose money. It's actually hard sometimes to lose money, to be honest. I've tried, like, sometimes I've had to lose money and I'm like, fuck. It's actually harder than it looks. Yeah, you can mark it in and out to basically lower, you hit the commissions. So. Andy Ross passed the combine, up 50% in the other one. Oh, right, day one. Let's go. Sensi Trades, how many accounts do you have? I had 3 accounts with My Fund of Futures. They're transferring into a live account now. I've got the Take Profit trader accounts. I've got Apex accounts. Right now, I've got 6 Apex funded accounts. And then I'm trying to get some more funded accounts today with Apex. So I would like to get fucking as many accounts funded as possible. Right? I mean, you know what I mean? This reversal back up right now. All right, all right. I do not trade with NinjaTrader. I use Tradeovate and then use their copy trader. It's a lot. I think it's a lot easier. I don't know. I've never really used NinjaTrader, to be honest. So I stick to what I know best. And right now, what I know best is Tradeovate. All right, we have now pushed back up here, 51, and pivot point to the upside. I mean, VWAP to the upside. Pivot point up there at the 17,019s. We held the pivot point to the downside down there. Right now, the dollar is selling off. The NASDAQ trying to push back up here. We got 15 more minutes. 15 minutes. Copy trading, very simple. For the copy trading, you basically go here on your accounts, and well, I can't even pull it up here, but let's say you go to manage groups. So I have a group set up for my live accounts with Apex, and then I have the evaluation ones. So you go there, you write in what group name. I don't know, let's just call it a demo account. We'll call it showing you. So let's say, okay, now I make my group name. And then these are my accounts over here on the left. So let's say I want to pull some of these accounts over. So I basically just pull these accounts over just like that. And then I adjust the quantity. So let's say I want to be able to trade, one contract in each account, and then I save it. And there it is. It's done. So easy peasy. Showing you. And then basically what you want to do is you're just going to go like right there to eval, make sure that one of the accounts in the group is activated. And that's it. That's how you use the group funding. Patrick, why does your audience call you a scammer? I don't fucking know. My audience doesn't call me a scammer. Just little trolls like you in the chat calling me a scammer. So. Is there a code for the Apex discount? There is. Just Patrick Wieland, W-I-E, Patrick Wieland. Joel, why can't you just let Trade open for executions live? How about this, Joel? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it for you. Just kidding. Honestly, I don't really care like what people think. I take the profits. I make the money. The problem is once I start it's like I fuck with myself. I don't like it. I've done it in the past. I don't like it. Sometimes I do it. Sometimes I don't. And it's just how it is. So I don't know. I'd rather just focus on me making money more than me showing every single fucking in and out. Get him. Stick finger. Yesterday, I made $70,000 with fund accounts, but how much of that is yours to keep? Well, I took out $25,000 in payouts. I transferred $25,000 into another account. I don't know. Where is Sage at? Sage is actually live with our Market Flow Trader community right now. That's where Sage is at. Did I see ICT yesterday? I don't give a fuck about ICT. Yes, I saw a stupid fucking video of him trading in a demo account. I mean, what do y'all like? I don't know why anyone's impressed at this point. Market showing some strength here. We got another 12 minutes. 12 minutes to see if we get that push up there to the VWAP now. I praise no man. The chat's already getting lit today. Oh, God. The chat's already getting fucking lit. I'm gonna try something out new today, actually. Well, not new really, but do some members only for a while. It's been a while since we've done members only. Members only, chat. What's going on? Member only chat. Look how nice it is. Just all nice. Nicey nice. Right now, the NASDAQ pulling back here, 54, 55 level. We got the VWAP to the upside at the 76s, by the way. Video idea explaining how you manage different prop firms in the trade copiers. That's a great video idea. I'll start working on that for you, my friend. A 3-minute chart, kind of trying to bull flag here, see if the NASDAQ's going to hold this 50 level, and you got the VWAP up there at the 70s. 70s next. Dollar finding a little bit of support here, though. See how she plays. I'm definitely leaning more towards the bullish idea here for open. If you guys haven't hit that like button, let's see. What do you guys think? Up or down at open? What are y'all thinking today? I'm thinking up. I'm thinking we go to the highs. Don't quote me. Don't quote me. But that's what I think. On my knees again, looks like I'm on my knees again. And the bull flag pushing up there, 67s now. VWAP at the 76s. We get through that VWAP here at open. I think it's time to run. Time to run, boys. It'll be time to run up there. Masses and boosts rising. Right now, dollar pulling back here. DXY pulling back. The NASDAQ sitting up there right now. Can we go towards that 80 level? 80s to the upside there. Oh, buddy. There's that push to the 70s now. Marcus Brown, welcome to the member chat, baby. You can sign up today for only $5.99 a month and join the #1 team on YouTube. She's going straight to the moon right here. Oh, my baby Jesus. Up there to the 80s, just like that. Ding, 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 ding. Dollar pulling back here. The dollar looking weak now. So the dollar making this pullback right there. So that's why the NASDAQ just popped up there. So if the dollar starts to do, well, then you expect the NASDAQ to go do to the upside. So I'm lean. We'll see. I mean, now we're at the VWAP. So this is a key level. We obviously got to get above the VWAP here. And then I think 17,000's the high from this number up there, the 56s. So 56s to the upside there, my friends. Right now, the poll, 72% up, 28% down. Well, let's see if we can make something happen here today. We had a pretty amazing day yesterday in profits, and now we just need to sit back and do it all over again. Ride the trend. Be one with the market. Be the market. Be the water. Water is like market. Market is like water. Feel like we want it. Tell Apex we want 90% off. Okay, I'll tell him. Hey, Apex. Ben wants 90% off. Ben said give him 90%. Hell, why don't they just pay you to take the combine? Take the evaluation. Just give you money. Say, hey, here's $500. Take our test. All right, we're here at the VWAP now. This thing is looking very interesting. Like I said, if we can clear out the VWAP here, we got the high from the CPI report up there at the 1750s, and then there's a pivot point at the 92s. I told y'all this morning when we were down this low, it looked like buy the fucking dip kind of morning so far. So we'll see what happens here at open. We might just go straight to the fucking moon. We've seen this happen before. We got that big pop on the CPI report, and then it just goes straight down at open. Right now, we've had the big drop on CPI. So could this be the opposite? Go straight up at open. $1 million question, isn't it? Yeah, everybody wants to know, don't they? Everybody wants to know. What's going to happen? We got 2 minutes here, my friends. 2 minutes till the market opens. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Look at how nice the members only chat is. So nice. Keeping all the brokies out. All them brokies. Got so many damn brokies in the chat. Like I was telling my girlfriend this last night. I was like, listen, you know, at the end of the day, no one that's doing better than you is going to waste their time talking shit about you. You know? So, if there's a millionaire day trader out there, he's not sitting on fucking YouTube commenting, Patrick, you suck. I hate you. You're the worst. Like, they're doing, you know, they're living their lives, enjoying their money. They're not sitting on YouTube giving us advice. All right, we're looking to see what happens here. VWAP, we basically just want to go straight fucking up here at open. We got about 30 seconds here till the market opens. Oh, buddy. It's going to be fun. Get ready, my friends. Put your hands in the air. Get ready for the roller coaster. Wee, 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 wee. 19 seconds, 15 seconds. We got that pivot point to the upside, 1717, pretty much. So 17,017. This market wants to go up. Here we go. I think it wants to go up. Before I die. I think it wants to go up, boys. Up there. Up there. It's going up there, they said. Will we continue to push? I think so. I like to see a push straight up there through the 20s next. After the 17,000 break here. Got to keep that momentum pushing straight through there, boys. Before I die. Nah, I think we go straight up here now. After that little pullback right there. After that little pullback right there, we go straight to the fucking moon here. Gotta do it, gotta do it. See if we blow through that 20 level there next. Hold up. This thing is very, very uppy, crazy. A lot of crazy price action right here. Not a lot of volume, it seems. Back to the VWAP again. Wow. Welcome to the party. Can we hold the VWAP here? Need to hold this VWAP and go straight back up 17,000s or so. Straight back up. 70,000 break. Come on, get it. Get it, get it, get it. Oh, God, that was beautiful. Taking, got these evaluation accounts here, almost to the 9,000 mark. I only $400 more for the Apex evaluation accounts. Fuck. That was a move right there, right off the VWAP, like we said. Got a terrible fill on this one, but keeps it going. I'm no place I'd rather be. Up there with the 17,005s. Can she push one more time? All right. We are, look at that. Another, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more Apex accounts funded today. 1 day funding. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. She's still going, boys. She's still going. Oh my God, it's fucking magical right now. It's fucking magical right now. Off the VWAP. Are you kidding me right now? Come on, you gotta be kidding me. Look at that push to the VWAP now. Oh, the VWAP, baby. What did I say? Off the fucking VWAP there, from the 81s to the 40s now. Are you fucking kidding me? What a move. What a fucking move. What a fucking move. It's fucking glorious. You can't make this shit up. You can't make it up. What the fucking fuck? Where's everybody at? Where's all the haters at now? Off the VWAP through the moon. The members only chat is so nice. I like you guys. Let's talk. Let's hang out more often. You guys are good people. Good people to hang out with around here. Up there to the 40s now. Got that high from the CPI report at the 58s. No place I'd rather be. Guys, there's no place I'd fucking rather be right now than with you, you know? With you. All right, we got 1 more Apex account funded. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 accounts. 6 more accounts. So now we got a total of 12 accounts funded here today. 12 accounts funded right now. Let's go. Right now, Apex has the deal going on where it's basically 1 day funding. And I'm also long over here in the Topstep account. Just letting to see if this thing could go all the way to the highs through it. Letting it ride on that one for now. So money, 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 money. Be looking to see if we get a push up through that CPI report high. And then there's a pivot point all the way up there at the 92s. Pivot point at the 92s, my friends. Let it ride. I gotta go to the bathroom real quick. I mean, fuck. That push off of the VWAP was absolutely insane. Are you not impressed by that? I mean, I'm fucking impressed. Right off the VWAP there, straight back up now. VWAP, baby. We love it. I love the VWAP. I fucking love it. Right now, we're above this pivot point here at the 18s. So. Rise. My God. All right, a little pullback here now. We've got this pivot point area needs to hold up here. Dollar finding a little bit of strength right now. The ES has not gotten all the way up. Kind of made a new high there, but still having a little bit of trouble there. The ES, the NASDAQ. So totally normal. A little bit of pullback here. We just basically don't want to, you know, I don't want it, not that we can't come all the way back to the VWAP, but I would like us to not go back to the VWAP. Kind of, let's stay above this kind of pivot point. Get this candle to close above the pivot point here would be nice. Personally, that's what I would like to see here. I don't know about you guys, but. It's all around, it's all around my sound. Lights go down. Trying to figure out what to do right here. Basically want to see if we can put in this higher low up in this level there at the pivot. You know what I mean? Be nice. So we really just want to see kind of putting in these higher lows there. If we push this next breakout, that would put us, I think, you know, you kind of get this breakout here, and then you got that pivot point to the upside at the 80s. So only problem is dollar is finding a little bit of support here. So the dollar pushing back up. Not loving that. We don't want to see this dollar start to really rip back up, because then we're going to be in trouble in the NASDAQ here. So just keep that in mind. Dollar finding some support for now, pushing back up here off this level. Little bit of trouble here. The hourly candle too. Look at the hourly candle here. Like we talked about, that hourly fucking candle. Look at that thing. We literally were like, this is looking like it just fucking wants to rocket right back up. And look what happened. We're right back up there, my friends. Still got a lot of time here. Still got 15 minutes. We got any news today at 9:45 or 10 o'clock? Any news today? What do we got? No news. All the news was this morning at 8:30, so. Let's see what happens here. Right now, the problem is that pivot point, dollar finding some support, pushing back up, so not loving this for us right now. If you're currently long, we are in trouble. We are in trouble here, boys. We definitely don't want to get below the VWAP again. So let's see how we react to the VWAP here. Back to the VWAP again. Trouble, 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 trouble. Let's see. VWAP, will she save us? Below the VWAP, not good. Not good below VWAP. Need that VWAP to push back up here. Both the ES and the NASDAQ down to their respective VWAPs for now, so being patient here. All right, that moment of truth. And there we go, through the VWAP. Not a good sign here. The bulls really needed to hold up at the VWAP there, so no bueno. Dollar finding that strength to push back up. Trouble. There's trouble. Trouble in paradise now. Down there to the 60s, 70s. I still have love for you. All right, through the VWAP here, down to the 60s. Can we go lower? Here's the question. I think now this is kind of bleed out time. With the dollar pushing back up here, trouble. They had to save it there. That VWAP level really needed to be support. So now there's a good chance maybe 930s or so. Maybe lower. Maybe, baby. How low? No one will know. $59s. Still moving down here. I took a little short there, just a quick scalp in the Apexers. So those are the funded accounts there. That's 1,800 times 6. God, what is that? A little $10,000 day here. Got to keep my consistency. I don't want to go too big here in the Apex accounts because I know the consistency rule is real. So, but we did get all these accounts funded. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 more accounts funded today. That was my big kind of focus today, to get these funded accounts. And look at this thing, still going lower. We lost the VWAP there, and here we go. Let's see if we get down there to the 30s next. Still have love for you. I call it home for you. Trouble here. Trouble. We'll try this little short right here. Smaller size just to not give back any profits, but kind of a little bit of a chase. But let's see if it'll get down there closer to the 40s. Or I might just take it off. Let's go. It's looking dumpy. Can it dump? Take it off right there. Just lock that in easy. Easy, easy, easy. Was looking for this move right down here to the 30s next. Free. She's still going. Look at it, dumping down there. Down to the 30s now. Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy, 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 buddy. Oh, buddy. Beautiful move down there, like I said, through the VWAP. That VWAP really needed to hold up there. We lost the VWAP support, and look where we're at now. Obviously, not a good look for the bulls for now, but we are bouncing right off the 30s. So the low down there, bounce off the 30s for now. Both the ES, the NASDAQ kind of still holding up at the lows. So see how this kind of reacts to these lows down here. Possibly push back up into this like 60 into the middle of this candle, kind of retest up there for a little retracement, possibly. Now chopping here at the lows, the dollar push it back up. If we lose this 30 level, we got the pivot point down here. We'll probably run these lows through the 900s next. So just trying to see how we react to this low down here. I just don't want this thing to rip back up to the 60s. Don't want it to rip face here. A little bit of weakness right now in the dollar as well. So a little bit of weakness in the dollar. But the NASDAQ, the ES, both of the lows. The ES right now, they're at the pivot point, 4,810. You've got the low for the ES all the way down there to the 4,802. So if we take out this 30 level again, we should sell down here. Just based on kind of this chart right here. See if we just dump right. You got to dump right through the 30s here. Don't want to bounce around here too much. Holding up there at the 30s still. Maybe a little pushback up here. Dollar having trouble pushing back up. So right now, kind of just finding support down here, both on the ES and the NASDAQ for now. That last 5-minute candle looking a little bouncy here. Little bouncy. Can we get back up there into the 60s? Dollar selling off again. That last 5-minute candle here on the NASDAQ bounced right off this 30 level from open, so. Got the VWAP up there, 79s. I don't like how the dollar is pulling back and this is chopping around here, but let's see. Will we take out the lows or hold it up here again? Still can't get below that 30 level, so need to take out 30s. This little 32 level, get through there. Pivot point to the downside there at the 910. So through the 30 area, we should go down there 910 pivot point, and then that low down there 900s. After that, 35, 835 area, way down there. So we'll see. Right now they're holding that 30 level, but definitely looking, if you look on the smaller time frame, looking very, very bear flaggy here. So let's see if we take out this 40s next. The bear flag, holding this little fair value gap on the 2-minute chart there as well. So life's gonna tell the Scene. Jonathan, first day back trading since getting COVID before Christmas. Wow. You were taking it. COVID took you out, bro. Took you out for a hot minute. All right, this bear flag, will she play out? We get this move down through here, the bear flag, and we try to move on downtown here. Downtown to party town. Right now, holding up there. We get through there. Let's take it downtown, baby. You know how we do. You know how we do it. Come on. Let's go, baby. She's trying to move down here. Get through here. I'll get through here. Take out that low at the 26s and then 900s up next. Take out this 30 level. We'll take the 30s here. '30s being stubborn today. Stubborn 30s today, boys. I'm looking for this to break through the 30s here, short. Take it. Take me down. Take it down. There we go, through the 30s. Come on. Continuation, baby. Continuation for me. Looking good. Get this breakthrough here. Just gonna lock it in for 20 points there. On the day right now, up like fucking up $8,000 in the Topstep account there. All right. Whew. Whew. There was the setup, the breakdown. There she goes, all the way down. All the way downtown. Got that pivot point there at the 910s, and then after that, the low of day so far, 892s after the CPI report there. So nice little move down, 913s. Oh, God. Man, when you look at that thing, it's pretty good. Pretty good little play there. Down there, 900s now. I obviously took profit too early, but Stickfigure said, we're still in a range. I wouldn't count a pushback up being out of the question. Well, we just dropped about 60 points there, so we'll see what happens. Oh my God, look at that thing. Down there to the fucking 870s now, boys. Well, that's a little painful. The next pivot point's all the way down there at the 37s, by the way. Talk about the perfect textbook bear flag right there. What do you think about that? Perfect little textbook bear flaggy. Straight to the fucking grave right there. I did catch the move down. I showed you guys the trade. What a drop. Fucking A. That was redonkulous. Redonkulous. Through the 30s, like I said, down fucking massive amount right there. I can't even do the math. It's a lot, though. Pretty much it's a lot of money down. So there's the break through the 30s we were looking for. We had our yellow line on the chart. It's not rocket science. And look at, still fucking going, boys. Oh, the next pivot down there at the 835s. Holy guaco. Full. That's pretty insane. You got to admit. Oh my God. That's 100 points, my friends. That's 100 fucking points. Wow. Anybody hold that whole thing? Dude, Yassine, will you shut the fuck up? God. Why are you guys spamming trade gold? No, I'm not going to trade gold. You trade gold. The fuck? Oh my God. Oh, buddy. I think it's time to go fishing now, boys. It is time to go fucking fishing here. I think so. If you guys haven't hit that like button, what are y'all doing? Come on, let's go. Hit it, hit it, hit it. Things is bleeding out right now. She's a bleeder. Dollar push it back up. Like I said, the dollar push it back up. Definitely going to lead to more weakness here in the NASDAQ. And we are at the pivot point here now. This next level is down there at the 811s. Expecting this pivot point to give a little bit of support here, you would think. But hey, who knows? Maybe we just keep going straight down there. Either way, absolutely insane morning. I can't complain. I took my small profits. Because the thing is, you got to think, like, when you get those big moves, man, the small profits are easy. It's easy to make small profits on big moves. You know? It really is. So, on the day right now, you can see here in my Apex account, today, locking in $1,800 across, well, $1,800 in 5 accounts, $1,700 there. So that's $10,000 in profit. And then also getting all of these Apex accounts funded as well. So these are the actual accounts. They're the ones on the bottom are the funded accounts. These ones that $9,000 profit, that is the, look, it's still going. Holy guacamole. I'm staying out of it. I'm happy with that. So still a $10,000 a day. Nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I'm not going to complain. Not going to complain about that. Also, if you guys have not seen the news as well, do me a big favor and go blow up this tweet for me. Go show some love on this tweet. 2024, baby, the year of payouts. I posted this up earlier. Taking a $25,000 payout yesterday. People always like, Patrick, do you even make money? I don't know, man. It seems like it. Seems like I do. Sometimes I get lucky. So getting funded with my funded futures basically on Monday, making over $50,000 and then getting a $25,000 payout. Patrick Wieland. Let's go. So my next goal is to get a payout with Apex, right? That's the big goal next. Let's get a fucking payout from Apex. I want Apex to pay me. I want my funded futures already paid me. Topstep's already paid me. Who else is out there? Who else wants some of this? Who else wants some of this? Who else wants some of this juice? Got that heat. Got that heat for the boys. Bro, good luck with getting Apex to pay you. Well, I don't need luck. I don't need luck, baby. Yeah, the Trade of 8 copier has been working really good. I have not had any issues. I'm using the copier as well for Apex, so. If you basically pass, if you make $9,000 in one day, you don't have to trade for 7 days with Apex. I think today is the last day. So, I mean, Apex paid out. I literally saw the other day, Apex paid out fucking $100,000 in one lump sum. You can literally go on, like, on their website. Look at their website right now. This guy right here got paid $100,000 on January 8th. So, I mean, these are all payouts. This guy right here, look at this guy. Easy Peasy Enterprise. I like that guy's name. Easy Peasy Enterprise. $2,000, what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is that? How much fucking money is that? $32,000 in one payout. So I don't know. I mean, I think people get paid out pretty consistently here. I know it's all on their website there. So if you want to learn more, there's a link down below. You can sign up today. They've got the deal going on, 71%. You can use my code Patrick Wieland, and there is an activation fee. Matt Tibbet can't do 2 times 16. I can't, bro. I'm not a fucking. I am not a fucking mathematician, people. 16 times 2. I can't even know. It doesn't work. Luckily, my bank account don't need to be fucking, I don't need to do the math to see the numbers on my bank account. It just says fucking money, money, money. So. Have I been able to trade with Apex? Yes. Like I trade my normal size, nothing really different. Today I was trading like 70 contracts. So basically like 12 contracts in each account, locked in $1,800 there. And then, you know, the trailing drawdown just basically forces you to take profit. And now I think since I'm over $156,000 in total, so like my drawdown no longer goes up anymore. There's no more trailing drawdown. So basically my drawdown is automatically now at 150,100. So yeah, there's no more trailing drawdown once you get it above that buffer. So Patrick, Dave Teaches is talking smack. I mean, Dave Teaches is a little bitch who lives in a fucking townhouse. I'm trying to talk about how he's like, I live in an area. He said it, he literally on Twitter is like, I live in an area where the median income is $120,000. I'm like, I live in an area where the median income is millions of dollars. Yeah, fool. Don't come at me. Don't come at me, you kook. Don't come at me, boy. Put you in your place every time. I need you. I am the only fucking YouTuber, or maybe not the only one, but I am the only fucking YouTuber who has literally shown payouts from 2 fucking prop firms. Look, $25,000 paid out 2024. I know I'm the only motherfucking, I am 100% the highest paid out YouTuber in 2024 so far. That is a fucking, that is a claim that I will take, you know? So, talk all you want. Getting paid, baby. Getting paid. I know someone who got paid a lot more. You did, Dawn? Do you? Do you? Do you? Do you? Fuck out of here, Dawn. Show it to me. Just because your mommy. Guys, Don Trady. Again, 1.1 million. Yeah, that's not this fucking year, you fuck. Yeah, that's not this fucking year. 2024. God. Fuck me. How stupid are you? I know somebody that got $1 million in payouts. Oh, you know him? You fucking, you sit on his lap and trade with him? Get the fuck out of here. All right. 840 pivot point there. 835 holding up there. I know I'm good at fucking Photoshop. I photoshopped it. I fucking photoshopped it. What else you want to do? What else you want to say? What else you want to fucking say? Come on. Talk it. Talk it. You got nothing. Market finding support down here at the pivot point, the dollar pulling back. I'm happy that I did not continue to try to short down there at the bottom. That was what we don't want to be doing. ICT beats you in payouts. Oh my God. I'm going to explain something very, very... I know you're a fucking moron, Norland. I fucking know it. I know you're fucking dumb. I want everybody in the chat who thinks that ICT makes money. I want you to understand something very, very fucking simple. ICT only trades on fucking demo. He only trades on demo. All right? Fucking wake up. Wake up. Wake up, people. He's never taken a payout. He fucking drives a Corvette. A fucking Corvette. My boat motor is worth more than his I got 3 boat motors. Each of the boat motors are more expensive than his fucking Corvette. God. The fuck drives a Corvette? Peasants. I've never met a rich person in my life that fucking bought a Corvette. God. Fucking Corvette, man. Most basic ass fucking car you could buy. Corvette. Oh, buddy, what a day. Look at this. From the 840s back up here. Pivot point to the 910s. You know nothing about Corvettes. Oh, I know. I know nothing about Corvettes. I know I'm an idiot. Go out and buy a brand new Corvette. Nope. I ain't doing it. No, thank you. Right now, push back up into that fair value gap there on the 2-minute chart. The 5-minute chart, obviously, this trying to push back up. We've got this earlier support, but I do want to just, I want to iterate how beautifully this played out there. Breaking from the downside through the 30s for a 100-point move to the downside. Don't say I didn't tell you so. Don't fucking tell me that you didn't tell you so. Do I ever take my trucks off-road? There's not really much off-roading to do. I pull my boat with it, kind of, sometimes. All right, so I got a poll in the chat. Did you see the short setup? People always say, I know people always got to be like, Patrick never tells us. He never actually tells us when to buy or sell. I fucking made it very clear what the plan was there, my friends. So let me know in the chat. You can vote right now. Vote right now. Kyle Corbin, easiest short ever. Done. Cobra. Yeah, no, I know, Chad. You win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. The E-Ray is better than the R8. Like a Corvette? What? Oh, God. Well, it's been a lot of fun today, like always. You know, making money, seeing all the idiots, and yeah. The great thing is, guess what? I think after a $70,000 day yesterday, nothing wrong with walking away, taking my profits, and counting them. And also happy to get those additional accounts funded with Apex. So we've got basically, yeah, we're good to go. I think like 12 accounts now to be funded. So market back up here to the 80s. They kind of hold up at this 69 area. Right now getting stuck there at the 14 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Got the VWAP all the way up there, the 54s, by the way. 54 VWAP. Wop, 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 wop. VWAP. Into me. Dollar's kind of sitting there. The ES, the NASDAQ, sitting here for now. Question is, do we break to the downside here again? Do we drop? Do we pop? Pop and drop. Right now, the $1 million question, obviously. Looking a little poppy. See if the bulls start to rip this back up. All those shorts maybe that are coming in late to the party there. Not quite sure. If we get back through this 900, I think we go to the 20s. We got that pivot point there, the 10s, but what's a good boat to get into? Oof. Boats are expensive. That would my advice would be to not get into a boat. Nothing wrong with chartering. Unless you just want to feel the pain of owning a boat. Start small for sure. Yeah. The NASDAQ, the ES. What will she do next? The $1 million question. Something about to change. So like I said, Apex right now, they got their deals going on, 71% off. You can sign up. I think today is the last day that you can pass the evaluation in the first day. So if you want to check them out, check it out. If not, don't do it. So that's it for me. I think I'm going to walk away, take my profits, and go elsewhere. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, help me out. Blow up the like button. It's free to like, by the way. And yeah. See y'all tomorrow morning for Fresh Cash Fridays. Make sure you're here. Fresh Cash Friday always is fun. Slaya making 8,000. Let's go. My guy. This is kind of looking like it wants to push back up. We got the VWAP up there, the 52s. You really just want to keep this momentum back off this lows. Market's big range today, so anything's possible. VWAP up there, the 950s. So. Gentry Trading. Pat, you got to keep going live, bro. You're easily one of the best trading live streams. Oh, thank you very much, my friend. I appreciate that. I appreciate it. It does mean a lot to me to hear that. I do appreciate you. But, yeah. Not a bad day. I think pretty much like a almost $20,000 day again. $8,000. Yeah, no, it's looking $10,000. No, it's looking good. Looking real good, boys. Looking real good right now. Shine. Sun shining. Ooh, I do. All right, I'm out of here. I'll talk to you guys on the flip side tomorrow morning, Fresh Cash Fridays. Make sure you tune in. Hit me up on Instagram. Hit me up on Twitter. Talk to you guys later on.